Hello, this is Joe Liu. A lot of people, homeowner or even the house owner, when they deal with the floor, they have no idea and how to do it properly. Actually, the flooring is most expensive besides the kitchen cabinet. So in this video, I'm going to do the project to do the flooring. So currently the floor, it was the vinyl tile. It's a vinyl tile, okay? It's a vinyl tile. So I remove it. I actually struggled to find a way. I went to the YouTube and search for a lot of material to try to remove. I think most of the people, when deal with this the plastic, the vinyl, the tile, and they don't know how to do it, how to remove it. The best way is they just override it. They just forget it and just cover it. Put the tile or hardwood floor and just cover it. So actually, I have cleaned up. I remove the old tile. So I have tried many stripper. I mean, because the tile is glued on the floor. So I try using something like iron, okay, iron, and or the stripper. Okay, stripper is after you iron, then the heat, then you can remove it. And also I tried the steamer, the wallpaper steamer. And after that, after you remove the floor tile, and I find out, I think I using the stripper, okay, the wood stand, the finish stripper, and also TSP and vinegar, and also this something, the grease remover. Something like I spent whole things. I spent a lot of things by. So the whole things is I tried this the chemical solution, and they are not very good and very healthy, especially at home. So this the smell is not good for our health. So I find out the good things, the best things is the steamer. The steamer, that is I think this is the best. I find out it's easy and remove, and it's much healthier, and because it's only steam coming out of steam, so he can hit the vinyl tile and very quickly. You just put on there and very quickly, less than 1 minute, you can tip up right away. And also remove the adhesive underneath. So I think this is the best investment. I think among this chemical solution, I think this is all the iron things. Yeah, I think iron things gave me a lot of the trouble, and when iron, yeah, because it's not evenly. Yeah, so I find out the steamer is the best. Yeah, you can remove it and very easily. So investment of the wallpaper steamer probably around something tax probably $60 or $80. You can, but you can use a lot better than sometimes the solution. You use it, you spend $40. That's it. You won't use again. But the steamer can use again. But anyway, I finished this one. Anyway, I clean up the floor. Okay, so I'm going to either the laminate floor, I think laminate floor, and or the vinyl plank, and also hardwood floor. I think hardwood floor is most expensive, but finally I think I want to do the hardwood flooring because I do have the material. So so this video I'm going to show you and to remove the vinyl, the tile, and also show you how to install the hardwood floor. So let's see and let's go and to see. when we do the hardwood flooring, so we need the compressor, first compressor, and the pipe, and also the nail for the trim, and the edge. We nail the hardwood floor, and also this is a nail too, just for the hardwood floor. And we need this hardwood material. It's a 3/4 inch hardwood floor. It's pure. It's not engineered wood. And also we need the underlayers to put down first. Then we put the hardwood floor. And finally is you need the edge for when the hardwood floor lay on the edge. You need the space for the expansion. So probably 1/4 inch is fine. And so I think the equipment, that's it. And I think we should be fine. So this is the tool, hardwood tool to nail down the wood. And this is powered by the compressor. And so this is the material. This is the nail, U-shape nail. Okay, see that? Okay, probably this is 2 inch and a half. Yeah, the nail. So you put in, and that should be fine. And this one is probably I think it's a 2 inch nail. 2 inch nail. Okay. So there is a bucket floor. See the level. See, this is higher, and this is lower here. So you can see the level rule shows. See, this is higher, this is lower. But down here is a little bit good. Yeah, higher this level come to the middle. So same as here. This is good. This is good because in the corner here the level is not level. So we have the problem. We have to fix it. See, it's either using a sanding machine or using a router. Using a router to clean up this area. So we can use the router to do this, to scratch the surface a little bit, so it can be, because the router cannot go to this area, it's too close to the wall. So we have to, this is the area we already using a router to clean up. And so down here, so we have to using the sanding machine and to clean up this area. And the rest here I think is fine. Okay, the rest here is fine. Okay, it's level now. So when you do the flooring, I think make sure the floor is level, otherwise then it cannot to match it. Okay. When hardwood floor run across air vent outlet, so in this area needed to be cut. So in this case, we need using the jigsaw to cut here and here, then later on go straight to here. So we using the guideline to make sure, see, using the clamp to fix this guideline and make sure this guideline will follow this guideline and cut to here and be straight. So this is a method to help you to make sure you cut the straight line. Okay, and we'll see. So I just cut this area out of the air vent outlet. So this so just follow the outlet, the edge, then you cut out this. Okay, so then especially when you measure, this is quarter inch, so that will match up here. See, this is a flat here. Okay, so that will do the things and also match here. Okay, so we can nail it down. Okay,
Gotta get that shot.
I want to show you how to use the jigsaw and to cut the hardwood floor, because when you want to cut the hardwood floor, basically this is the finish line, this is the other side, this is the groove side, this is the tongue side. You can see the tongue side, it's tongue side. So when you cut when you draw a line here, you want to keep this side and keep this side, and you want to cut this. So your blade, your saw blade should be align this one. Okay, should be align this the black one, and your groove side. Okay, make sure the groove side follow the guideline of the jigsaw. Jigsaw on the back side has a guideline, so you follow it and you do the cut. Okay, so you won't, because of the finishing line here, so when you cut, because the jigsaw go this way, you cut, you won't chip up the finishing line. But if you put the other side, like this is the tongue side, facing the guideline, facing the jigsaw guideline, you do the straight cut, you will get the chips. See this one, the chips right here. Yeah, the chips. When you turn this side, groove side, on the guideline, that means your unfinished side, the bottom finished side, on the top, you cut it, you will get the chip. Okay, the chip side. You get the finish line chips. So when you do this cut, just using the finish the finish line on the top, and you straight cut it, and make sure your grooves, your tongue side is facing the guideline. Okay, So that should be do it. So I get the chips sometimes, like chips. Yeah, see the chips because I turn on the other side to cut. So that is the important the tips when you do the straight cut. This is a hardware nail, and it is driven by the hardware nail gun. It's U-shaped. It's powered by the compressed air. So when you hit hard the button of the hardware nail gun, the U-shaped nail will push and to the tongue side of the hardware floor. This is when you hit hard, it will go down and directly. Okay, so you will become smoothly. But however, we switch to another one. Okay, you see this is a nail. It doesn't push and you hit hard, so you will hit. See the nail is a little bit higher. So in this case, we have to using the screwdriver to hit to down, hit down, or something hard to hit down. Otherwise, the other hardware cannot go through it. So it's be sure to hit hard of your nail gun. Otherwise, it's just like this. Okay. So I'm going to do it to hit to using something. When I wanted to cut this the wood to fit this size, okay, but this is too wide, okay, too wide here, okay, we cannot do much about it. See, this is a groove side, supposed to be here like this to go, but this is too long, cannot fit in. So what I should do is turn around, and this is tongue side, and this is the groove side. Okay, we put fit on here. Okay, okay. You measure the ½ inch here, this area, ½ inch. Okay. Then from here, you can see. From here, you can see and this the edge, this plate, the plate edge, and you draw here. You draw this one, okay. So you draw this area, okay, and draw this area because just right this the edge and here, then you can draw, and later on you're using the square the ruler, okay, the square ruler. You can draw line here. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, the pencil line is right here. Okay. Okay, then you cut this area out. Okay, then later on you fit it this side. Okay, go in and insert. Okay, so you cut this, the draw lines here, and you cut this out. Okay, so okay, I'm going to go cut it. So after the cutting, okay, after the cutting, so we can fit in smooth. Now we tapping. Okay. So this is the close the distance for a nail gun to hit the U-shaped nail. So further, when you go further, you need using using another nail gun. It's a blade nail to do the job, and you shoot at the corner, shoot 45 degree. Okay, I'll show you later. Okay, if the nail, you hit the nail gun, the U shape cannot go down, then in this case, okay, I'm using this handsaw to cut it. Then the left will be using the hard object to nail down. Okay, the same as another one here, case here. Okay, in this case, okay, I probably just using the nail down. I just using the screw to hit it because it closes. Screwdriver hit this corner here and 45 degree, then it can go down, hit. From this, the video from the hardwood floor, we see that because we begin from the groove side, facing that side, so we can nail it on the groove side. But down here, because we continue using the groove side, okay, to put in, but we cannot put the nail on the tongue side. We should put the nail on the tongue side, but we cannot put the nail on the groove side. So in this case, we need to put down here. This is groove side and also the groove side down here. So we want to put the nail on the tongue side here. Continue this way to put the hardwood floor. So we need to put one of the shim. So this is 3/8. I think it's 1/4 thickness, 3/8 shim. So we put the groove side here, and both groove side we put in together. Okay, then we put in. Then we can continue and nail the tongue side. Continue this way to finish the hardwood floor.
Denn Schnie, schnappte ich mich frei. Schnie, schnappi, 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 schnapp. Schnie, schnappi, 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 schnapp.